was a heart of adamant stone, a heart of concrete, a block. He turns it into a heart of flesh, a heart that beats and believes and breathes for God. Just as the heart was closed before, the heart becomes open in a way in which it is inclined and disposed to take in the blessing and to believe and trust in God and to delight itself in Him. It is a new heart. It is a new creation. Justification says that you are righteous in the sight of God with the righteousness of God Himself, with a righteousness that passes the muster of God, a righteousness that meets the righteous, holy standard of the all-seeing, omnipotent, thrice holy God Himself. Justification says nothing about my person at all. It speaks of is my standing. And what justification is saying is that on the basis of what Christ has done, God views the believer as righteous, not just forgiven. The difference is enormous. This righteousness which comes to us as a result of what God has done in Christ is in fact the supreme expression of the love of God. God pronounces the believer righteous, 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 righteous.